Hey guys, I'm going to be Sentence 3 versus the Sentence 2 songs. Which ones do I like better? I'll be telling you all. It's going to be a hard decision. You can play along too. We'll just try to play it. Oh, I don't know much harder than but okay. So we'll start. In this video, we will decide which songs are better. The songs from D3 versus D2. I will put each song from the movies against each other. Vote in the polls or leave a comment down below who will win. I'm just gonna pick. I'm not gonna tell them or anything, but. Good to Be Bad versus Ways to Be Wicked. Definitely Ways to Be Wicked. I say Ways to Be Wicked. Tell me in the comments down below what you picked for round one. So like round one, Ways to Be Wicked, or Good to Be Bad. Okay, Ways to Be Wicked, Iconics, and Wildlife, Ways to Win. Oh. I think y'all can read. Queen of Mean versus What's My Name? What's My Name? Yeah. No, dark. I picked What's My Name? Okay, well you can pick that, but together. Definitely do what you gotta do. I don't care what the others say. No. Boy Turtle. I don't know. I would say a tie. I don't do that, but it's a tie. It's a tie. Because I love both of these songs super much. So it's a tie. Break This Down versus You and Me. That's what you and me. Break This Down. April used to be, and it's calling me the queen of me. The queen of me. Yeah. Guys, I think I went in here. Oh, wait, let me focus. I would say One Kiss. But guys, I'm not going to show you their answer. Y'all are going to comment this one down below. I'm on round 5. Bye.